how to get free turbo flutter. Check this out. All you need is a pop can. We're gonna take a pop can, cut a little piece out in the shape of our diverter valve, and slap it right where the diverter valve goes. Check this out. Here's our plate. When you block off the diverter valve, the boost has nowhere else to go but back through the turbo, giving us the amazing sututu noise. Right here, blow off valve disconnected. This plate goes in here. For sound comparison purposes, let's rev it stock and see what it sounds like. The plate is in, let's go see what it sounds like.